Hey everyone, it's been a little while since I posted a video regarding anything being installed on the Jeep and have something, I don't know, maybe a little different today. Others have done it, but wanted to do it for my JL. This is the HIKEIT X9 throttle controller for the Jeep JL. They make it for a lot of different other cars. It's just a matter of what adapter comes with it. This is the actual unit right here. It's very small, as you can see, very lightweight, very thin. This is the adapter that's going to plug into the throttle near the gas pedal, the accelerator in the JL, and then it's all routed to the controller. What the controller does is send a signal to the computer. I believe probably quicker than the actual JL does. For throttle inputs, and there are a number of different modes that they have here for controlling the throttle. Just quickly go over these. You have a cruise mode, sport mode. You have the HIKEIT racing mode. There's an auto IQ mode, an off mode, economy mode, or 4x4 mode. Jump into, or that's the overtake mode. I guess that's, you can quickly go into the overtake mode. And then there's an anti-theft lock that you can place on it as well. And then it's good for your manual or automatic transmission, and there's an ambient light sensor, so at night it's not blinding you. The kit does come with an alcohol prep pad, a sticker, some zip ties, but we're going to get to the install of this. I'll show you what needs to be done, then we'll take it for a ride and see what differences there is. I am looking for a perceivable change, and I hope it's for the positive. So more will come once we get it installed and on the road. Well, I'm at the Jeep now. Just want to show you under here. This plug right here is the accelerator plug or throttle control plug. That needs to be taken out. I'm going to do that right now, and we'll get the HIKEIT plugged in. Okay, so the plug underneath that I just showed you is basically this plug. The way you need to remove it is this little maroon tab right here. Get your fingernail in between, as you can see, and then it's gonna just slides out. So this maroon piece basically slides in and secures it to the Jeep. So pull it out. You can pop the plug off the top, as I have done. That's what it looks like. And now we're going to place this plug into the Jeep. The free end that's from the Jeep will go into this side, and then the HIKEIT part will be, or the actual controller will be connected to this white. So that's what I'm going to do now, get that secured, and we'll go to the next step. Alright, so as you can tell, here is the HIKEIT plug. I got the Jeep is plugged into here, and then I've run the wire. I don't know if you can see. Run the wire here under the dash. There it is right here. Comes up through the hole for the lever to adjust the steering wheel, and then right here to the controller, which I now have mounted with a double-sided tape, and it holds pretty well. And like I said, you can see it as when you're sitting in the driver's seat, so you can see the display, which is good. So currently like the positioning of it right now. Don't know if I'll ever move it. We'll see how it is, and we'll go from there. Alright, going for a little drive. We got the HIKEIT installed. It's on automatic mode right now. You can definitely feel a difference in the response with the throttle. It's almost instantaneous. Switch this out to, that's the high mode. I'm in the neighborhood, so I can't speed. Not that I would. Okay, got the controller in economy mode right now. Economy 5. You can certainly tell when you press down the pedal, there is not much reaction from the engine or acceleration. It's very slow. I really think this controller, or any controller for that matter, is really just a timing device. If you're in economy mode, the delay between when you press the gas, when the engine reacts, is a little more, and the intensity, as far as how much acceleration you get, is lowered. So that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm about halfway down right now, and it's accelerating very slowly. Now, if I switch that over to the high mode, I'll press down the same amount as I did before, and we'll see how it reacts. So it kicked down a few gears right there, just being in high mode with the same throttle input on the pedal. So very, very definite or definitive difference between the two. But again, I'm going to have to drive around a little bit. I'm sorry for the shaky video. I'm just hand holding this camera. But I'm going to have to drive around a little bit, get some time under my belt with the controller, and see which settings I like the best, and we'll go from there. But overall, it's a nice little upgrade or mod for the Wrangler. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.